overall performance on the M18 wet dry vac, we're really happy with it. It's got a ton of power, picks up a lot of bigger pieces too, which is nice.
The overall ability of that compared to the 3.5 is as good, if not exceeded it, in the applications that I've used it for.
It can suck up the drywall, it can suck up concrete dust, you can just power through whatever you want to suck up.
Let's face it, in construction we're really hard on everything, so durability is number one. It's going to get beat up, it's going to get kicked, it's going to get dropped, it's going to get stood on.
It seems like wheels and hoses have always been an afterthought in vacuums, but it seems like Milwaukee put a lot of forethought into them.
With the Milwaukee hose, we can put it in anywhere we need it to, we can bend it, step on it, and it stays form and works good as new every time.
It's a good, solid design on the wheel.
It'll roll over extension cords, it'll roll over air hoses, and just doesn't get hung up nearly as much as a corded vac does.
It's just good heavy-duty construction.
The M18 wet dry vac is very versatile. Being able to put different heads on different containers is really nice.
You can select the appropriate tank for the application you're going to use it in.
So if you have a fine dust application, you don't need the 9-gallon tank, you can put the 6-gallon tank on it. But if you have a lot of big debris, the 9-gallon tank holds a lot more.
Identifying power is annoying, so then you got to try and run extension cords so you can get power to every room, and it's just not easy to use. With it being cordless, it makes everything 10 times easier.
Being able to go cordless and keep a clean site, that's what it's all about.